What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be working on my 350Z. Now, I've actually been having some cooling problems with it, and last night I ended up just in a deep rabbit hole because I'm not sure 100% what's going on with this car, but I'm having issues where I'm getting no heat in the cabin. My lower radiator hose was cold, and my upper radiator hose was getting way over pressured, and then I found like some orangish glitter. I'll put that right here in the video for you to see. Yeah, so I'm not 100% sure what's going on with this car. So yesterday I just kind of fell into a rabbit hole and I tore the whole front end off. It really didn't take long. I mean, the whole front end is held on by like 5 bolts, my whole radiator support, and I don't have a bash bar in the front. Just that's how the car came, so I don't know. Other than that, you saw that I actually installed the strut bar, but that's not what we're gonna be working on today. I just took the radiator off and the radiator fan, and my buddy actually gave me a spare radiator, and also hooked up a hose to my radiator, and I tried to flush it out really good. And when I did that, it didn't look clogged at all. So I was thinking maybe the radiator was clogged. I'm thinking either my heater core is clogged, or I'm thinking that I might have some ports in the engine that may be clogged. I hope not, that's worst case scenario. And possibly, I know that I tested my thermostat in a past video, but what if my thermostat isn't operating correctly or something? I don't know. I also have a brand new wheel, but I don't have the quick release kit yet. So that's gonna be a whole video in itself. So tune in for the future for that one. But today, what I have is carbon fiber door handles. So right now I just have the normal silver look on white, and I mean, it looks okay, but to me it kind of stands out a little too much. I know that the exterior door handles are a lot easier, most likely, than the interior ones, because the interior ones require the door card to come off, the exterior ones do not. So I did get both. The only thing that I kind of don't like about the interior ones is they still have silver on them. So, I mean, I ordered carbon fiber door handles to get rid of all the silver, but it's a lot less silver, so I'll take it. So I know for the exterior ones, all I need is a flathead and a 10mm and a little bit of an extension. I have way too much of an extension, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and work on getting the exterior door handles done, and then let's do the interior. Right here, you see these are the rubber grommets we need to take out, and then the 10mm are behind these rubber grommets. Now I got my 10mm on my drill. Careful not to drop the bolts inside the door. Speaking of which, I think I want to grab a magnet real quick because that lower one's a lot deeper. Nice. So now that we got the bolts out, we can proceed to take our flathead and kind of wiggle the door handle a little bit. Now, it needs to go I'm not sure why you can see that, but it needed to go through the hole right there and sticking out the other side. I'm not 100% sure, but this is just what we're about to try to see if this works. So, do is line it up with the hole. Get them in there, maneuver it, and push it in. And I think we're in. So let me see what it does. I do think that we are working, so go like that. Yep, she's working. So now let's get these bolts back in. Nice. Open her a couple times so she kind of settles in a little bit. It feels great, and it also looks awesome. It's a lot better in my opinion to go from this on the car to that. Now that we got the exterior handle done, let's work on the interior handle. I'm gonna go ahead and put these rubber grommets back also. It's the last final step. Now that is the carbon fiber door handle installed. Now let's get back on the car. Now we have our carbon fiber interior door handle that works and functions, and we have our carbon fiber exterior door handle that works and functions. For one, the door card is actually a little bit easier to get off, but the only real difference is the fact that there is the keyhole on this one. So here is the driver door handle off and the key lock mechanism right here. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to just leave this set up and just pull this 10 mil off. Let's see how this works out. Now there was one more difference between the driver door and the passenger door. So in the driver door, there is, I assume there's usually a tab right here, but my car doesn't have the tab. You gotta remove that screw to get this off so that you can get to the screws inside. Then you still have the screw inside here, and then you could pop off all the clips on the driver door. So that is a job complete. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this type of content. That was just a little cosmetic thing to go on the Z. Down below, you can subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It's free. And until next time, peace.